patient, welcome to my creation. Working with patient, I'm another dimension. I'm in your dreams because I am your obsession.
Raps, costumes.
This is my patient, welcome to my creation. Working with patient, I'm another dimension.
What's up, guys? We back, another video. Today we're gonna be working on this GMC, I believe this is a GMC Silverado dually. We're gonna be doing a Titan window on for a customer down in Farmington, New Mexico, up north. Just dropped it off right now. We're gonna go ahead and start by removing the back window. I guess he just bought it. He wants a Titan window installed, so we're gonna hook him up. Here's the Titan window. We gotta clean it up still, get all this old butyl off. Here's the truck. It is a GMC 3500. It's my first dually doing a Titan window on. This thing's clean. This thing's nice. Got that Duramax. Alright, you guys know the drill. We are gonna have to delete this one here and the other one, just because the Titan window kit, my custom kit, gets bolted onto there. Might be able to keep this side, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to keep this side because it's gonna interfere when it bends down. It's gonna interfere with the kit, so might have to just delete this back part. We'll see. Go ahead, and we're gonna start by removing the plastics off here, get our measurement, take the carpet out, and then we'll start with the back glass, start removing it, taking off the rear defrost. It does have rear defrost. We are gonna go ahead and connect these back to the Titan window, so everything is still OEM, and he still has his rear defrost. Rear defrost is off. All right, stay tuned. We're gonna start taking the plastics off. All right, we got the window removed. We're gonna start by cutting the inside part here and get it fitted for our glass, our Titan glass. Now I'm just wiring it all up. Customer wants the button right here. It's usually where I put it, right here. Makes it look nice and clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this bezel off, cut it out with my Dremel, install this button. Here's the inside. All right, it's looking good. Dually Titan window. This thing will look badass with some semi wheels. What's up, guys? We back Sunday. We got another truck in for another Nissan Titan window, single cab Sierra. Yesterday we did a Titan window on a dually Sierra. So back-to-back Sierras and back-to-back Titan windows. Today we got this single cab in. We're gonna be doing a Titan window on. It is a female driven truck. I did do the sunroof on this a long time ago. Still looks clean. We're gonna be taking out that rear glass. Start getting all our measurements together. It is cold. We were expecting a snowstorm, but I guess it passed through. But it is cold, so I had to pull it inside, get my heater going, and then we're gonna start the process on taking out the back glass. I use these to cut the glass out, along with this. And I do have one of those jigsaws that has a little plate on there to get the corners if I need to. Usually that little tool will take it out pretty quick. So we're gonna start by taking out that glass, put the glass to the side, start cleaning out all our edges, our existing glue. We'll start trimming it all down. We'll primer the areas inside. And then what I mean by primer, we're not shooting like automotive primer. We're gonna be using these special primer tools. Cleans the window, primes it up for the glue. And then I got my tight window here, got my gasket ready to go. If you guys need a tight window kit, I do ship them out. Just message me on social media, hit me up, or email me, and I do ship out this full kit. Comes with the gasket, universal button, comes with the wiring diagram, shipping is included, and the mounting bracket. All that's included. Everything you need to install a Titan window. Everything is bolt on and ready to go. All right, we'll start by taking it out of the window. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this weekend's projects. 2 Titan windows, GMC dually, and then the single cab Sierra here from Albuquerque. The other truck was from Farmington. But that's going to be it. Stay tuned, we got a lot more videos coming. We got some panoramics, and we'll be installing some panoramics here shortly too. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.